this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a watch list inside Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Quantower like you usually would. And then from here, you'll need to see this page right here. Once you've done that, you'll need to go up to the page called WLI in the left-hand corner, which stands for watch list. As you can see here, you'll have your watch list over here. And from here, you'll need to click on this plus icon up here. And then from here, you can search for the specific exchange that you want to, or symbol that you want to add into the watch list. So let's click in Forex, for example, or Euro USD here, and click OK. From here, you can see that it will be visible. And from here, if you right click on it, you will be able to add symbols, remove selected, clear all, log panel, add alert into the specific symbol. And you can also add indicators to the symbol, create a panel, everything like this. You'll also need to be able to save the specific watch list by go over to right beside the plus icon called Save Current List, and then you can add the list right and save it right here. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!